Hello and welcome to Lakshya tutorial, and my name is Avishek. Now in today's video we are going to discuss about the detailed reduction in the syllabus of physics for the academic session 2020 to 2021. That means for the ICSE students, those who are going to appear for 2021 examination. In the previous video we have already discussed about the maths reduction that you can see in the link in the I button. In this video we are going to discuss about physics. Now before starting with the discussion of the physics syllabus, as we have discussed in the previous video that we have started a reference book series in Lakshya tutorial, and the link of those book series will be present in the description box that you can see. Now these are reference books that I have already used in the previous year as well as I am using this year. These are the reference book and they are Oswald books. I have already used Oswald the 10 years as well as the question bank of physics for class 10. And I find these books pretty much useful for the students from the examination point of view. So those who want to buy the book, they can buy the book from the description given below. And I prefer to use a digital copy of these books, but if you want, you can purchase a physical copy also. Now let us start with the discussion about physics reduced syllabus. Now let us start with the first unit. Now in the first unit, the chapter that we are going to discuss is machines. In this chapter, the topic lever has been totally excluded from your syllabus. Now let us discuss about the second unit. Now the second unit is light, and in the case of light, if you know that there are altogether 3 chapters in your syllabus: refraction of light at plane surface, refraction through lens, and spectrum. Now what are the topics that has been removed from these chapters? Let us discuss one by one. Now from the entire light segment, there are 3 major topics that is removed from your syllabus. The first topic is from the first chapter, and the topic name is multiple images in thick glass plate mirror. This has been removed from reflection of light at plane surface. Now the second topic that has been removed is power of a lens. Now the entire topic is not removed. There are some modification in this topic. Now power of a lens, only definition and basic understanding based on the curvature and thickness of lens and the application of lens is present in your syllabus. The numericals based on this one is totally removed. Now the third topic is scattering of light. Scattering of light is totally removed from your syllabus. That means the application of scattering of light has been removed from your syllabus. Now these are the 3 major topics that has been removed from light unit. Now let us discuss about the third unit. Now the third unit is sound. Now in case of sound, the topic that has been removed is the characteristic of sound, mostly the loudness, pitch and quality of sound. Now the entire topic is not removed. That means the meaning of the terms and the factor affecting them has been removed. But we will not consider the examples of them. We will not consider the graph of anything or any other topic in this case. Only we will discuss about the meaning of the terms and the factor affecting them. Now let us discuss about the next unit. The next unit is unit 4. That is the current, electricity and magnetism. Now in current, electricity and magnetism, there are few things that is very important that has been removed from your syllabus. The experimental verification of Ohm's law, it has been removed. The combination of resistance, that is series and parallel, derivation of the terms for equivalent resistance has been removed. And from the household circuit, the household wiring, ring system, power distribution, then two-way switch and staircase wiring, these topics are totally removed from the current part. That means from the household circuit and from the current electricity. Now let us discuss about the magnetism part. Now in electromagnetism, the topic transformer is totally removed from your syllabus. And transformer is a very important topic, but now it has been removed from your syllabus. Now the next unit that we are going to discuss is modern physics. Now in modern physics, nuclear fission and fusion, the basic introduction and equation is totally removed. That means we won't study about nuclear fusion, we won't study about nuclear fission. So this entire topic has been removed from your syllabus. So these are the topics that has been removed from your syllabus. Now let us understand a comparative study that what has been removed and what has not been removed. So as you see in your screen that we will discuss about the chapters one by one. The first chapter that we are discussing is force, no change. Work by energy, there is no such change. Machines, there is only one topic that has been removed, that is lever. Refraction of light at plane surface, the multiple images in thick glass plate has been removed, and in refraction through a lens, the power of a lens has been removed. In case of spectrum, scattering of light is removed. In case of sound, characteristic of sound is removed. In current electricity, the experimental verification of Ohm's law and the derivation of series and parallel resistance has been removed. In the household circuit, the house wiring, power distribution, staircase wiring, two-way switch has been removed. In electromagnetism, transformer has been removed, but in the case of heat, there is no change, and in the case of modern physics, the nuclear fission and nuclear fusion has been removed. Now let us understand the impact of the removal of these topics. Now the topics that has been removed are very important from the examination point of view, especially the topics like scattering of light, questions come from that topic. Then the characteristic of sound, question come from that topic also, because sound is a small chapter and the question mainly comes from characteristic of sound. Similarly, in the case of current electricity, the derivations of series and parallel, it doesn't come in the examination, but still it is of very much importance. In case of household circuit, the house wiring, power distribution, two-way switch, these are very important topics that generally come in the examination. And in case of modern physics, you are thinking about nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. And modern physics is a chapter that totally depends upon nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. And if you remove this, then what is left in modern physics? You can think about it. Now there are many questions that the students generally ask me. Let us discuss these questions one by one. The first question is that what will be the impact of this in class 11 syllabus? Now in class 11 as well in class 12, those topics that is already removed is again re-studied over there. That means you will again study these topics in much detail. So in class 11 and class 12 point of view, there is no such problem that the student will face because they will study in details. So that is not a big problem in this particular case. Now the second most biggest question is that if all the important topics has been removed from the syllabus, it's not all its major topics, like some of them are really important. If some of the important topics are removed from the syllabus, then what will be the marks distribution? What will be the paper pattern in this case? The marks distribution, the paper pattern will entirely change. Yes, the pattern would be same as it was there in the previous year, but the weightage of the topic will obviously change. And there is no such description of the weightage of the topic in the ICSE official website, that which topic is having how much of weightage. That means what topic is coming for how much of marks. So there is no such specification in the ICSE Council's website related to this. And because of these changes, the marking scheme will also be changed and the new pattern might be followed. That means the new pattern of marking scheme. That means they might consider the marks distribution of a particular topic to be more and a particular topic to be less. So these are the important questions that is coming from the student side, that what will happen to them, whether they should be happy about this, that the syllabus are reduced, or whether they should be sad about this, that we will get an entirely new kind of a paper that cannot be predicted, or we cannot think about the weightage of a particular topic. So these are the confusions that is going on in students' mind right now, and it might be there throughout the year. So if you like the video, click on the like button, press the subscribe button, don't forget to press the bell notification, and if you find this video pretty much helpful, share it with your friends so that they can also understand what has been removed and what is still there in your syllabus. So thank you very much for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe, stay home.